Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kids drum set is probably one of the most important decisions you will make as a parent when it comes to your child's musical development. Finding the perfect balance between durability, age-appropriateness, and engaging sound can be tricky, but with the right guidance, you can find a drum set that will spark your child's creativity and lay the foundation for a lifelong love of music. This video will help you navigate the process of choosing the ideal drum set for your 4-year-old, ensuring a fun and enriching musical journey. Number 5. Mendini Cecilio Kids Drum Set. It's made of high-quality wood and metal for strength and a clear sound. The vibrant blue finish adds a dazzling touch to any room. Get ready to make some noise. This set is designed for stability, with a triangular structure and anti-slip feet. The robust brackets ensure balanced support while you play. It includes a bass drum, tom drum, snare drum, and cymbal, plus drumsticks and an adjustable seat. Everything you need to start drumming is included. This 3-piece junior drum set is perfect for beginners. It's fully functional and easy to use, letting your child explore their musicality. It arrives unassembled to prevent shipping damage, but assembly is simple. A detailed video guide is available to help you set it up quickly. Unleash your child's inner drummer with this fun, easy-to-use drum set. Watch them create their own rhythms and enjoy the musical journey. What we like. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a sturdy design. If you're looking for a drum set that will stand up to enthusiastic playing and provide years of enjoyment, this is the one for you. This is perfect for kids who need a stable and complete set to start their musical journey. What people say. Easy to assemble and the size is perfect for her to practice and learn. Build with good quality materials. They appear to have corrected this by using a spring tether system. No squeaks now. It is perfect size for him and very sturdy. It looks great and he enjoys playing on it. Number 4. Eastar 3-piece kids drum set. It's the perfect starter kit for young drummers aged 3 to 10. This 3-piece set includes everything they need to begin their musical journey. Made with genuine poplar hardwood, it offers high strength, uniform vibration, and a bright sound. The electroplated hardware adds durability and enhances resonance. The transparent drum skins provide great tension and vibration for an open and balanced sound. Remember to clean them after playing to keep them looking their best. It comes with a bass drum pedal, an adjustable throne, and 2 pairs of drumsticks, one for kids and one for adults. This makes it easy for everyone to join in the fun. It arrives unassembled for safe shipping, but don't worry. Simple instructions and an assembly video are available to guide you through the process. What we like. This drum set boasts superior sound quality thanks to its excellent drum skins and construction. If you prioritize sound quality and want a kit that will grow with your child, this is an excellent choice. It comes with everything needed, plus extra drumsticks for parents to join in the fun. What people say. This beginner drum set includes everything a young drummer needs to get started: a bass drum, snare drum, toms, a hi-hat, and a crash cymbal. The build quality is solid, especially considering it's designed for children, and the drums produce surprisingly good sound. The assembly process was straightforward, and the adjustable throne is perfect for growing kids. My child loves the vibrant color, and it's encouraging to see them excited about music. The included drumsticks are appropriately sized for smaller hands, making it easier for kids to play comfortably. The quality of this drum set blows my mind, from the throne to the hardware. The heads are sturdy but sound very good. The bass pedal is as solid as I have ever seen. Number 3. Best Choice Products Kids Drum Set. It's the perfect size for children aged 3 and up. It has everything they need to start their musical journey. The all-wood shells are carefully crafted to produce a rich, warm sound. They're built to last. All the hardware is included, and it's easy to put together. Fine-tuning is simple with the included drum key. The glossy finish is not only attractive but also protects the drums and keeps them looking great. It's easy to clean and maintain. This complete set includes 2 toms, a bass drum, cymbal, sticks, pedal, and a comfortable stool. Get ready for hours of fun. With its compact size of 22 inches in length and 29 inches in height, it's perfect for small spaces and big dreams. What we like. The all-wood construction provides a warm, resonant tone. If you want a drum set that's easy to put together and provides a great sound, this is a great option. It includes everything your young musician needs to start playing right away, making it perfect for beginners. What people say. Very durable, although the foot pedal has to be treated with kindness. It's clearly a basic kit, sans hi-hat, actual snare, but it is built surprisingly well. Perfect size for my two boys. They love playing the drums, especially playing along to music videos. These worked out perfectly. There's nothing bad I can say about them, they sound like the real thing, perfect gift, easy to put together. After having them now for a few years, they are still in amazing shape with no issues, even with two rough boys playing with them all the time. Number 2. 5-in-1 Toddler Drum Set. It's a 5-in-1 drum set designed for toddlers aged 1 to 3. It features drums, cymbals, a microphone, and lights, making playtime extra fun and engaging. This set offers various play modes, songs with flashing lights, sound effects, real drum sounds, piano songs, and lively tunes. It helps stimulate a child's creativity and musical skills. With its microphone, it encourages singing and speaking, building confidence. Playing along helps kids recognize different instrument sounds and develop their musical interests. Made with child-safe, BPA-free materials, it has soft lights and adjustable volume to protect their eyes and ears. The lightweight design is perfect for little hands. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. This versatile toy is perfect for indoor or outdoor play, parties, or even classroom activities. What we like. This isn't just a drum set, it's an interactive musical experience. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy that will keep your toddler entertained for hours, this is a perfect choice. The safe and durable design makes it ideal for the youngest musicians. What people say. This drum set is packed with fun features, including 3 drum pads, 2 cymbals, a microphone, and colorful flashing lights that instantly captured her attention. The multiple music modes, like real drum sounds, piano songs, and lively tunes, make it an engaging experience. The included microphone adds a fun element, encouraging kids to express themselves creatively. Parents will appreciate the thoughtful design that caters to toddlers aged 1 to 5. A perfect way to nurture a love for rhythm and music from an early age. With its vibrant colors and sturdy construction, it captures attention while ensuring safety during play. Number 1. Donner 5-piece Junior Drum Kit. This junior drum kit is ideal for children aged 5 to 12, providing a fun and engaging way to explore their musical talents. It's the perfect size for little hands and bodies. It boasts a sturdy build with high-strength poplar wood shells for rich sound and uniform vibration. The 6-ear structure ensures superior skin tension and resonance. Everything you need is included. This set comes with drumsticks for both adults and children, a comfortable adjustable throne, and all the necessary hardware for a complete drumming experience. Setting it up is a breeze. A detailed video guide is available to walk you through the simple assembly process. You'll be playing in no time. The triangular base and rubber feet provide exceptional stability, keeping it securely in place while you play. Enjoy a confident and enjoyable drumming experience. Give your child the gift of music with this fantastic drum kit. Watch them develop their rhythm and coordination while having tons of fun. What we like. Get more for your money with this comprehensive 5-piece kit. If you want a high-quality, stable drum set with all the bells and whistles, this is the one. The added stability ensures a confident and enjoyable playing experience for your child. What people say. It's got great sound. It was easy to set up and it fits my son perfect. It took 2 hours to put the set together, but it far exceeds my expectations. My grandson, who is 5 years old now, states he wants to be a drummer when he grows up. I love watching the videos of him practicing and can't get over the fact he now knows to bang the drumsticks over his head. 1, 2, 3, let's go. This product was a gift for my autistic child who loves music. When it arrived in its box, I was nervous about assembly, but the instructions were very clear. The pieces went together very well and has upheld through drastic play. My child plays with it daily and the drum heads have held up, no cracking, no denting. The cymbals have been played with heavily as well, no cracks, no dents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.